If you have a car that's dirty as this, or something more on the maintenance side, today I'll be going over 5 different soaps that will help you transform the shine on your ride. Let's go right into it. First things first, we're gonna get right into number 1, which is going to be our HydroSuds. Now, HydroSuds is intended for any car that has been ceramic coating, but I also like to pair it up with any car that already has protection on it. For example, you have a sealant, a glaze, a wax. I would pair it up using HydroSuds because HydroSuds is going to deliver a high shine while leaving ceramic properties behind. It's also going to rejuvenate any protectant sitting on the surface of the car. So if you're that person that wants a little bit of protection or maximize your protection, I would recommend you go with our HydroSuds. All you need to use is 1 ounce for a 5-gallon bucket in a foam cannon or foam blaster. HydroSuds is very, very easy to use. Just add 1 ounce and you're ready to go. The next soap I would recommend for anybody that wants to get in and out and just give your car just wax finish is going to be our Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax. Now, Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax, we took the original formula that everybody loves and thrives off, and we added some spice to it. We added 2 different waxes, a synthetic and carnauba-based wax, so you guys can maximize the shine on your ride with a single wash. Now, we named it Foam Party because we also maximize the soap, the suds. So whenever you start using it with a foam cannon, you're gonna be covering up your whole entire car with thick, lathering suds. So whenever you grab your wash mitt and you start gliding across the surface of your car, it's not going to scratch nor harm the clear coat. So if you're that person that wants to get in and out and give a just wax finish, I would recommend you check out our Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax. Now, the next person is going to be for the dirty person. If you're that person that never washes your car and you need something very tough on filth and grime, something that's going to strip off coatings, glazes, sealants, waxes, I would recommend you go with citrus washing gloss. Now, if I actually show you guys up close, citrus washing gloss tends to separate. Now, that's very, very normal because the soap is super, super strong. It has a citrus-based property to it. Now, you could also be more using it as a maintenance care, but if you use less than 2 ounces per wash, if you use anything more than 2 ounces, you are bound to strip off anything. So the only way you activate it is you want to shake it up. Once there's no more split, that's when I would recommend you start using it to wash your car. Now, citrus washing gloss is also going to deliver a just wax finish, but it's not going to add any type of protection whatsoever. So no waxes, no sealants, no glazes, nothing is going to be coming out of this wash. Just a simple deep clean. So if you're that person that goes off-roading, has a side-by-side, an RV, a boat, and you hardly ever get to it, I would recommend you go with citrus washing gloss. It's a fantastic soap, and it also has a citrus base, which means it's bound to strip off any coatings that's sitting on the surface of the car. Now, the other soap I would recommend is going to be our brand new soap, HighImpact Deep Clean Car Wash Soap. Now, the reason why I really enjoy using this soap is because it's pH balanced, which means it's not going to strip off any coatings, any glazes, any sealants, any waxes. Now, if you're that person that does not know how to measure whatsoever, this soap is still going to be delivering a super deep clean, but with being super gentle on any type of coatings whatsoever. Now, HighImpact also has a fantastic smell to it. I love any type of soaps that have a fantastic smell, so that's how I went with HighImpact today. Now, HighImpact is meant for anybody that never really washes a car. If you have a daily driven car, if you know a friend that has a daily driven car and they never wash it, this soap is going to be perfect for them, because if they're the person that does not even know how to wash your car, this soap's not going to remove any protectants, any glazes, any sealants, any waxes, but it's also going to be delivering a super high shine. And the reason why we call it HighImpact is because it's going to be very tough on grime and debris, but very gentle on paint. So whether you have orange paint, blue paint, red paint, gray paint, it's going to be delivering the maximum shine using a little bit of effort. Now, all of these soaps, I forgot to mention, HighImpact, citrus washing gloss, Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax, HydroSuds, they can all be used with a bucket. They could also be used with a foam blaster or even a foam cannon to maximize the potential of using a soap. Now, if you're that person that just loves using the 2-bucket method, that's still fine. But if you want to elevate your detailing game, I would recommend you check out the foam blaster that connects to your garden hose, or a pressure washer foam cannon that connects to a pressure washer. And the last soap I'll be going over today is going to be Clean Slate. Clean Slate is a specialty soap that's going to be removing any type of coatings away from the surface of the vehicle. So this is going to be a soap for anybody that just got a brand new car to themselves or wants to have a fresh detail. This is going to remove any glazes, sealants, waxes, protective coatings away from the surface of the car. And whenever it comes to applying a brand new wax, it's actually going to adhere properly and is not going to fail over time. So guys, that is the top 5 soaps I recommend for you guys to transform the shine on your ride. So there you guys have it. Now you guys have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of soaps that you guys can be choosing from so you can transform the shine on your ride. Whether you're looking to add ceramic properties or have a fresh start or have a super dirty car, all these soaps do it all. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.